Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the sprayer hose and wand on a pull-out faucet. So this particular faucet happens to be a Moen, but this process is going to be very similar on most common brands of faucets. To do this job, you don't need a whole lot of tools. You just need your replacement hose and wand, a crescent wrench, and then a bowl and or a rag to catch water when you disconnect the sprayer hose. Now, in many situations, you can replace just the hose or just the wand. In my case, the actual threads from the wand broke off in the end of the hose, so I'm going to replace both. Okay, first we are going to find our sprayer hose under the sink, and you know which one it is because it has a weight on it. And the first thing we're going to do is take that weight off. Now this one just has a simple clip right here. All we have to do is pop this open. Then you can remove your weight. You do not have to shut off your water valves for this job because no water will be running through your sprayer hose unless you turn on your faucet, and we're not going to do that. Okay, so now that our weight is off, we're going to disconnect our sprayer hose, and this has just a quick connect on it, and you see a black button right here. You're just going to press this in and pull down on the hose, and this is where you would want to have your bowl or rag underneath because you will have a little bit of leaking here. Okay, now that we are disconnected under the sink, we can just go ahead and pull this sprayer hose out through the faucet. And there you go. Now we're going to run our new hose up and through the faucet. This does have a little protective cap on the end, which we'll remove before we attach that to the quick connect. Okay, so back under the sink, first we're going to take off this protective cap. Then we're going to put the new hose into the quick connect, and you should hear that snap into place. Then we're going to reuse that weight and put it on our new sprayer hose, and they mark with yellow tape where it goes. So you just press it together and it clicks into place. Okay, then we're going to just make sure our hose is moving freely. And it is. And then before we attach our wand, we're going to run a little bit of water through the hose just to flush out any debris before we actually attach the wand. Now we'll go ahead and attach the wand. So you just remove this rubber cap. And then this is simply going to thread on. Once you get that threaded on, you can use a crescent wrench to snug it up using this flat part right here. Just snug it up, don't overdo it. This is plastic, you don't want to break it. So you want to check for leaks under the sink just to make sure you don't have any. Then we'll go ahead and test this out. Everything seems to be working good. So doing this easy job yourself can save you some money. And just a little tip to save you even more money, you can just fill out a form on Moen's website and they will send you this part for free. I did that, and within about 2 hours I had a response and a part on the way. If for some reason that doesn't work, I will put a link to that part below the video. But Moen has great customer service and they will typically send these out for free. So hopefully that video helped you out if you're replacing a sprayer, hose, and or a wand. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.